Hi guys, I'm Dave Bull with Colonial Saw, and I'm here today with Jed Caredio of the California Closets, the New Orleans franchise division of California Closets. Jed, you have now had your STRIEBIG Compact in your shop for about 6 months or so. You don't have a beam saw, so it is your primary cutting solution here. How is it done for your business, and what has it changed about your business?
Well, it's been great. We went from using a panel saw and 3 guys to cut on it. What it's done is it's really saved us on labor. Our guys can now work the other machines while 1 guy does the cutting. We're producing more sheets per hour on this alone compared to what we were doing before.
On the sliding table saw?
On the slide.
Okay,
right. Our shop is very small and very tight. We don't have room to get a beam saw in here. This made sense. It's compact, it's against the wall. Our guys can cut, produce, and then get the material to the next machines. Again, being in a small environment like this, it's worked wonders for us.
Good. Yeah, I was talking with Bryson, your main sawyer out here, and he's saying he's now cutting about 3 times by himself what he was on the sliding table saw. That sounds about right?
Correct.
Right?
Yeah, and we're increasing every week. Every week we up how many sheets we have to cut. He's able to double stack on this, and we're producing at a level that we're happy with.
I think he told me this morning that he cut about 15, and these are 5x9 sheets, if I'm correct, right?
Correct.
15 sheets totally to cut parts in just over 2 hours. So that sounds about right?
Yeah. And like I said, we're increasing every week. He's able to produce more as he gets more familiar with the machine.
That's fantastic testimonial. That's and this is our smallest machine. So we only get bigger and more productive from here. So that's great news to hear. I'm sure you probably don't want to give your competition any advice, but say for your fellow California Closet franchisees, what advice would you give them if they have a smaller franchise and operation?
Being in a small location, it's the way to go. You're going to gain space for storage or for other things, and it can help tighten up that production so that you can work in a smaller area.
We certainly enjoy working with you. I hope that the same is true in reverse. We appreciate your partnership and look forward to working together for many, many years.
Yeah, well, thank you.